So it's May 1st, 2019. I went to a Goodwill store today with my neighbor, my friend. Got this for $5, not the sample. But in the back there, this is like a 2015 model. Almost like brand new. Nothing wrong with it. $5, he said. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Oh no. 2010, I think it says. Wow. Nope, 2010. I was not too far off, actually. So it's 5 years back. It's 9 years old. There it is. $5. Works like a charm. Works nice. $5. So it's 9 years old. Yeah, 2010. I'm sorry. Maybe there was a warranty till 2015 on it, because I think there was a bunch of writing in the back to it. That's not too bad, everybody, right? I think I did good for $5. I put a bowl of water in that, and it steamed hot. 2 minutes that water was boiling hot. So it's, if you watch. Power 100. That means I equivalent to 1,000 watts. I better not do that all the way. That means 1,000 watts. That's why. Then you clear. Let's see, control setup. See, sound, on, off. Touch 1. Clock, on, off. Touch 2. Scroll. Speed. Touch 3. Slow, normal. Oh, okay. Well, stop that and clear that. All right. Anyway, that's your control setup. It's pretty well advanced. Gourmet options. I like that. Baked potato. So I'm new and improved. But the one we had was from 1994. When I was married to Amy. We were married. And we've had that 25 years. And it's still here. We still have it in the closet. But this is like excellent. The other one's getting tired. It was getting kind of old. So I got this. And it's a Kenmore. Alright. Tell me what you think. I think I did pretty good for $5. Alright. There it is.